Guys, welcome back to another video. So I just want to give a quick video out. It's 11:28, I know, but I'm still keeping my word. One video out a day. I just went out somewhere today, and I had a lot going on today, so I just didn't have the time per se, um, unfortunately. But I am back at 11:28 p.m. Okay, so yeah, so I just want to go over today. So again, we did open up higher. However, I told you guys, right, if we lack the proper liquidity build, we're just really gonna taper and chop. Um, and essentially that's what happened today, right? We kind of just built the liquidity for the whole day, and honestly, we can, if we do open higher, right? We need to wait for at least a retracement, a retest of yellow, then we head up, right? So I would not go long till, or if you can find a good entry right here with proper risk to reward, right, then that makes sense, right? And then you could enter back here as well, and then target, right? But if you don't see a good risk to reward, there's no point of taking the trade. There's no one should be taking a trade right here. No one should be taking a long right there, right? So or even short, right? Because we're still in this really solid buying, protect, like take well pretty good support right there, right? So all you have to just like play or understand that we're in this range, right, within these two taperings, right? So just trade accordingly and with good risk reward. And we, like I told you guys, right, if we did bounce from here, we'd most likely just um, test right here, right? So either today was that test or tomorrow, yeah. So it's not, either way, we kind of did near the top Bollinger, right? So it just depends on what the market does from here. And essentially, the market does want to wait on the 5 day. So hopefully, we do keep building the liquidity. And my honest thought is we are going to keep building, right? So essentially, what we could see is um, left shoulder, head, right? And then right shoulder here. And then right shoulder here. And then keep going up, right? So that's a possible scenario, of course, and that would be supported by the 5 day, but we can still um, keep going up if anything, or even just keep heading down, right? Because again, the taperings are here. We kind of formed this really great bear flag, right? So we just need to um, see what happens throughout this week, but be careful going long, right? Especially without bouncing off support level right here, right? And then watching out for the tapering and managing the risk to reward, right? And again, shorting this, you have to be careful as well, right? You need to wait for at least the break of um, yellow and then some type of retest, um, closing this like inverse cup handle, right? And then taking it off right here, right? So essentially, you do want to wait for to break out of this orange channel, right? And then taking a short from here, right? And then yellow, right? So, and then all the way here. And if we have enough selling, we'd probably close this cup right here, inverse cup right here, right? So many levels to go. So big moves I don't expect tomorrow. Um, Maybe near the end of this week, yeah. But I don't. You just gotta let the market keep revealing itself. You're not really missing anything. You didn't really miss anything this week, except for Monday. But of course, it doesn't mean it's all over, right? There's always gonna be an opportunity, and that's literally it. And I just want to show you maybe um, today, right? Like how you would have possibly shorted this, right? So one short could have been, well, not one short, but if you understood the teal, right, and understanding that we were tapering in this teal, right, and essentially you can take strong, well, you can take some starters right here, right, at the break, and then if you manage to seal well, right, And this was from yesterday, this teal that showed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And understanding that we were also in this other teal right here, and then end of the day we saw that breakdown, but we just ran out of time essentially. So just depends tomorrow, but I do expect us to stay uh wait the proper move to go up is to see the 5 day move up. So we might either just chop here or do head down, right, and catch up with the 5 day, but we could just do any of that sort. Just but I would be really more interested in taking positions after I see some play with the 5 day. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. And yeah, I'm very late. I'm very tired. I can't even see properly. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.